Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. I've done this analysis several times before, did it on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, some updates need to be made as the bears made a very big push to the downside here. So first going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of these lines here. Sure, they still pertain, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. But the big update that needs to be done is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And for those of you that have watched the past videos, then hopefully $14 sounds familiar because that's an area that I've talked about multiple times. And, it was an area where once the price did gap down and then break below it this morning, you can see that's what really opened up the floodgates and sent the price back. Now, to give some credit where credit's due, it's not like it was straight down the entire day. The bulls did show up and show some signs of power by being able to work the price back upwards. But nonetheless, my point here is that if this current upwards bounce continues, then public enemy number one and that big roadblock to keep an eye on moving forward is going to be right up there at the $14 mark. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, first key level to watch, nothing fancy or complicated behind it at all, other than the fact of that bleeding today, which was pretty intense. The early morning, very, very intense, but that bleeding, like I said, finally did stop down around $12.30. So keep an eye on that as far as the first level of support is concerned. In the event the price rolls back over and revisits that area and does not quite hold up, then the next key level of support after that would be down there around $11.75. So all in all, yeah, a very rough day today. But like I said, to give some credit's due, at least the price did show some strength by bouncing back upwards. But now it's just a question of can the price, continue to build upon that. So we'll see if the price can get back up to 14. And if it does, can it break back up above it? So let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.